Well, if you're like me, you spent the early part of your life in the traditional American church, then you're probably feeling a sense that there's got to be something more to what the Lord intended for church.
The sound theology they bring and how that fits into a house church model specifically, and the incredible community. I love the fact that Reformation Seminary takes the liturgies and beautiful structure of what church should be and just makes it work and makes it thrive within the house model.
If a man knows and feels he has that calling to be a pastor, this is where he is going to get sharpened and refined in the skills and the knowledge he's going to need to be able to do that and do that faithfully.
The challenge. I think challenge is good. I think the material's challenging. I think a guy who doesn't have a lot of tools and doesn't feel like he has time or money to go through a 5-year seminary program, it provides an equipping that is going to get you ready to stand before a congregation.
For clarity, just to kind of hone in and tighten up what I believed about God, and then be equipped to go out and plant. I had a desire to be in ministry. I believe God called me to be in ministry.
Learning how to truly exposit the text and look for the main points and the historical and grammatical context was literally life-changing when it comes to preparing a sermon. It's letting the text teach me what God wants people to know and not me going into the text trying to figure out what I wanted to teach.
What I found in Reformation Seminary was, 1, it was reformed, 2, it was confessional, and 3, it was orthodox. And there was such an emphasis on intentional time of meeting in the house.
Feeling prepared and equipped to go out and do ministry and do it faithfully.
The relationships I built here will probably be ones of a lifetime, and men I'll need to lean on as we all grow our ministries and encounter hardships and trials along the way.
To go out and plant a house church. I wanted to be equipped to go and do that and do it well.
Being able to get quality teaching and experience in a year's worth of time, it was a no-brainer.
A person can come to Reformation Seminary and have absolutely no background in preaching and still come away from it fully equipped to be able to plant a house church and to preach to that congregation and minister to them effectively and correctly, and edify them spiritually week in and week out.
And for me, it's been a great blessing. It's been a great challenge. And Lord's really used it to sanctify in a lot of ways.
If you want more for yourself and more for your family and more for the Lord's church, join Reformation Seminary and learn how to start your own.